Okay, so today what I'll be showing you in this video is going to be extremely cool, guys, and I'm sure you'll definitely enjoy watching this video till the end. So what happened is, you guys already know, right? We hit 600k subscribers on our channel recently. So my cousin called me up like 2 days ago and he said that he's sending me a special gift for this occasion. He didn't actually like specify what the gift was, and the gift just arrived, and when I opened the box and I saw, I got super excited and I immediately took my camera and wanted to show you all this product. Let me just go there and bring the product and show you what that item is. Ta-ta-da! Just check this out, guys. This is Marvel Legends series Avengers Power Gauntlet. This, the same gauntlet that is made by Iron Man in the Endgame movie. He uses his nanotech to make a gauntlet, where he fixes all the Infinity Stones and, Hulk snaps it. This is the same one, guys. Oh my god, you guys already know how big fan I am of Avengers, Marvel characters and all that, and my cousin sent me this for 600k occasion. That is so cool, guys, and this is what I'll be unboxing in this video. I did not expect that this gauntlet would be so big. Just look at the box packaging. This is huge. Oh my god, are you looking at the size? So guys, I'm not sure how big the gauntlet is, or is the box only this big. I'm like super excited. It's got lots of cool features. First thing is, it's got articulated fingers in this gauntlet. Like, you can completely control all the fingers once you put on the glove. And then not only that, it's got all the 6 Infinity Stones on it, and they glow in different colors and produce cinematic effect sounds once you put in some batteries, I guess. That I'll be showing you in the video. Alright then, let's quickly get started with the unboxing and check out this power gauntlet. So before we get started, my sister also wanted to join this special unboxing because she also likes Marvel movies and Marvel characters. Let's invite her.
Hi guys, this is Sheetal. How are you all? It's been quite long.
Yeah, Sheetal. So this is what our cousin has sent us for 600k special.
It's so huge.
Big box, right?
Yeah.
So guys, before we just start with the unboxing thing, let me show you what's written on the box actually. You can see Marvel Avengers logo on the front and a big picture of the gauntlet. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Let's quickly open the box and check out this gauntlet. Okay, let me grab my knife and cut this. You need to help me out a bit in the unboxing, because it's not that small box also.
Ooh.
Oh. Just pull this out now. I'll cut this from the other side.
Oh my god.
Wait, don't pull it out.
Okay.
Oh. Push it from that side. I'll take it out from here.
Oh god. It's huge.
Oh.
I didn't expect it to be this huge.
Oh my god, guys.
Whoa.
Is this even made for humans? Just look at the size. Wait, I just dropped something.
What?
Just throw it that way. Okay, so there was some paperwork over here. We'll come back to that in a moment.
Okay.
And just look at the size of this thing. Holy moly.
Look at that hand.
Let me just remove this cover and show you. Oh my god. This is huge. Is this even made for humans? Looks like this thing is made really for a Hulk type of person.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
Awesome. Wow, guys.
So beautiful.
Look at the finishing of this thing. Amazing. Very nice. Okay, so how does this thing, what do we have on the inside? First, let me tell you, about the build quality and features. As you can see, this thing is completely made of plastic, I guess, high quality polycarbonate, not metal. But I love these colors. It's got this, metallic red sort of finish with gold near the fingers.
Like Iron Man hand.
Yeah, the same one, like Iron Man's suit, similar type of colors.
You can see
the Infinity Stones as well. It's got a total of 6 Infinity Stones, and these actually glow in colors. They have lights in them, and not only that, there's also a speaker somewhere. I've read about that. There's a speaker on this gauntlet that makes some cinematic sounds. We'll check that out in a moment. I guess you need to insert batteries for that.
Why don't you wear it and show?
That's what I was thinking. Oh, there's actually...
I can't wait to wear it myself.
Okay, so very different kind of mechanism. There's a rod at the center and has some sort of pulleys inside. Okay, so it's got some pulleys on the inside using which you can control the articulated fingers. So I was thinking that our fingers would completely go in these
You think?
fingers
You
and
think if you go like this?
yeah, you're right. It's literally not possible. Let me just put my hand. So how do I look?
Oh,
It looks huge, right? How does it look?
it's crazy.
Okay, so let me just put my fingers in the pulleys and try to move the articulated fingers.
Ooh.
Oh, this is so cool. Just look at this. You can control
Even I want to try.
you can control each and every finger on the gauntlet. Hello. Looks so awesome, right?
High five.
High five. Oh wow. You
Yo.
can say yo.
Rock.
Rock. Very cool.
Okay, can I try? Please.
You wanna try? Okay, sure. But I guess this is not made for small girls like you. You need some jumbo hands to use this gauntlet.
I better use it with my right hand.
Yeah.
Whoa.
This looks huge, babe.
It's huge. It's a bit hard.
You can't access the pulleys, kya? I can easily access them.
I mean, my
I
hands
think
are
your
small.
her hands are small, guys.
Okay, let me try. Yo.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll quickly give you some close-up shots of this gauntlet, and after that I'll insert some batteries and then show you its special features. So this is how the Power Gauntlet looks like from Marvel Legends series. Very beautiful looking hand, guys. It's very big than my hand. You can see for a size comparison I'm showing you. Super big and also pretty heavy. And if you talk about the finishing is top class, excellent detailing, and you can observe a lot of things. Love the color combination also, metallic red with gold and silver accents. And here are the infinity stones. You can see that we've got 6 infinity stones. Now I already know what stones are what. Let's see if you guys can answer them, like which one is what stone. Let me know in the comment section down below. So this infinity stone at the center, this big one, is actually a button. We'll talk about like what it does at a later part in the video. And now let me show you the other side, guys. Just look at the finishing over here. So I initially thought these were rubber, but they actually look like they're made of plastic, guys. Would have loved to see some rubber finishing, so you'll have a better grip if you try to hold something. And just look at these movements, mechanism. Very nice. Very nice. So let me also show you what's on the inside, like how does it look from the inside. So if you can observe, it's hollow till half of the arm, half of the gauntlet, and after that there's a rod at the center. So you can easily hold the gauntlet using the rod, and just behind the rod you have 5 pulleys. Using the pulleys you can easily control all the articulated fingers. I'm not sure if you can see, but I'll try my best to show you the pulleys as well. So that was about how you'll be able to put the gauntlet on your hand and control the fingers. So at the top side over here, this is the battery compartment, guys. Let me show you. There you go. This is how it opens up. This is the top cover, comes out like this, and over here you've got a screw mechanism. You need to open this screw and install 3 AA batteries for this thing to power on. And at the top there's a lock button over here, using which you can lock the fingers in a particular hand fist mode. So that's pretty much it. And I guess this is the speaker, guys. This is the speaker on it that produces the sound effects. So what I'll do is I'll quickly insert some batteries in it and show you all the special features. So we just installed the batteries on this gauntlet. There is no power switch on it, guys, to turn on all the lights and stuff. All you need to do is just put your hand in the gauntlet and try to pull the pulleys, and they'll automatically power on. Let me just wear the gauntlet and show you what happens when you do that. So here you go. There you go. As soon as you start pulling the fingers and stuff, you can see that. Did you listen to that? It starts making cinematic sound effects from the movie, and also all the infinity stones on this gauntlet start glowing. Just have a look at them. Let me give you a closer look and show you. Very nice, right? Beautiful. That's pretty much it, guys. The batteries are only for the lights and the sound effects. And this button over here, as I mentioned earlier in the video, is a sound effects thing. You need to press it and it will make that sound, you know, when you snap the fingers using the gauntlet. What will happen, you know, that's that kind of sound you'll get when you press the button. I wish, you know, I could wear this thing and snap my fingers and eliminate COVID-19 from the world. It would be like so good, but unfortunately this is just a simple toy. Okay, so one more thing, it's got this hand fist lock mode as well. Oh, cool effect sounds. Okay, so you know, you can lock the fingers in this position also. What happens is you can, you know, put the gauntlet like this on your setup or desk anywhere, and that will look pretty cool. And if you want to release all the fingers, there's this button over here which you need to push to the top side, and that will release all the fingers. So you can actually do a lot of things using this gauntlet, guys. First thing is, you can show off that you are the biggest Avengers fan, because see, not everybody has this sort of stuff at their home, right? So it's pretty cool having one at your home. The second is, you can even do some crazy arm wrestling also, like this.
And it's, you think anyone can win against me now? Never.
Oh damn.
And also, I can use this to trouble you now. Right?
Oh god. She always keeps disturbing me during videos, guys. Okay, so crazy lot of stuff you can do with the gauntlet. Why don't you hand over this gauntlet to me, because I really like it.
Okay.
Well, that is pretty much it, guys. That was my video on this, you know, Marvel Legends Avengers Power Gauntlet. Super beautiful thing, and also pretty nice lighting effects and sounds also. This thing costs around like 7,000 to 8,000 rupees in India, I believe. And you know, if you're a true Marvel or true Avenger fan, you should definitely have one of these at your home. So that's pretty much it, guys. That was our video on this product today. I hope you all really enjoyed and got to check out this awesome stuff. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.
Bye.